Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Shopify to customize checkout UI safely. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the Apps section from the left-hand sidebar. Click on Manage Private Apps at the bottom of the page. If you don't have any private apps yet, click on Create a new private app in the app creation form. Enter a name for your app. Provide a contact email for your app. Scroll down to the Admin API section. Set the permissions for your app by adjusting the settings according to your needs. Ensure you grant access to read and write for the checkout resources. Once you've set the desired permissions, click Save at the bottom of the page. You will see a confirmation message after saving your app. Make note of the API key and password generated for your newly created app. Next, go to the checkout URL where you want to apply your customizations. Make sure you are aware of Shopify's liquid variables and how to use them. Use the API key and password to authenticate your requests. In your coding environment, start your customization by fetching the checkout data using the Shopify API. Modify the UI elements as needed based on your design requirements. Be cautious and test your changes in a development or staging environment first. Once satisfied, push your changes to your live store. Regularly review your customizations to ensure compatibility with Shopify updates. Document your process and keep track of any changes you make for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.